Still dealing with damage and potential to a lot of these winds out there. Thanks, Jason. I appreciate it. That is the storm to watch right now down in northern Missouri, headed into Wayne County. Again, this is the storm we're watching. You can see the rotation on this. It sweeps off to the northeast. It'll be headed up towards Corydon, Wayne County. We're under that tornado warning right now. Look at that. Doppler indicated winds 100 miles an hour, so a tremendous amount of potential. We're a long way from the radar. We are looking up, so we're seeing those winds aloft, but you can imagine that they get translated down to the ground, and you can see how things are hooking around here. So this is the most dangerous storm on the radar. It's actually moving into an area that has not been disturbed by rain today. It had a little longer time. The heat, it's down in southern Iowa. They were a little warmer, and that's why this is the cell that's producing the rotation right here. And this crossing just east of Lineville, right here, this is the most dangerous storm on radar right now, hooking in here just west of Powersville. So very dangerous storm pushing out of northern Mercer into Wayne County right now, and that's why we have that tornado warning as it will sweep off to the northeast right now. So watching this storm, let's pan around and we'll look at some of the other storms on radar right now. This is the one to watch. Maybe we'll hang on here a second. You can see this just east of Lineville. Tremendous amount right here. And then we'll look up the line. Again, we do have that tornado warning for Carroll County right now. And then you can see these storms from Carroll down into Panora, Winterset, winds along this line.
There we are right there. We're about to get hit. Oh my.
And then this is the cell. Look at this around Panora. This could be translated.
There's parts of the storm right above us.
Severe thunderstorm.
We'll have to see how it's trying to just push some strong gusts in the Panora. So
Panora a couple years ago had a tornado warning and did a bunch of damage.
Potential damaging winds there, and we've had wind gusts around 70 miles an hour. And as you saw with Doppler radar, when we're looking up a bit, the winds up there are 100 miles an hour. Push that down to the ground, we got a lot of spin in the atmosphere, and that's why we're having the potential for some of that tornadic activity. Earl Armstrong winds moving in. It's moving in now through Winterset. We're starting to see
That's the alert right now.
But the damaging winds down here
Were located along the line extending from
at this time, but
No, that's not the alert, but
I'm reading some indicators for you there. All right, this is the cell to watch.
Alright, there it is. You see that hook?
Just to the east of Lineville right now, pushing north, right in extreme southern Iowa. This has a lot of rotation. Look at that indicated wind speed with this. We just had a shear marker park on up there because of the potential damage we could be seeing. So if you're down in that southern Wayne County right now, tornado warning, very serious looking storm on radar. The environment very ripe. Here's the storm track on that. You can see headed into Corydon 11 minutes, Bridgeport 13 minutes, Promise City 15 minutes. These are fast moving storms.
Whoa, New York.
Not that easy to see. And they translate
Promise
to the
City.
North Hartford 4 minutes. So this is the cell to watch. Southern Wayne County right now. Lots of rotation on this. And as it continues to spin, and actually is moving into a more favorable environment, could see some problems down there. I've been waiting to see if any storm chasers are on this. At this time, we're not getting any ground truth reports, but boy, the way this looks on radar, this is very dangerous down the
113 at 100 miles an hour.
Speeds down in southern Iowa on a November potential tornado day. We had some reports of some tornadoes out in western Iowa. So here's some roads for you. County Highway S40, and then as you head to the north, 180th. This is where these winds are going to be pushing to the north, from Seymour to the west. And here's Edison, and then another street for you, County Highway S40, as it jogs due south. I think it changes names as it heads down into northern Missouri. But a huge amount of potential down there in Wayne County. There's the latest storm track for you. And boy, oh boy, this is a big old storm down there. And as I mentioned, it's A lot of spin in the atmosphere today. We were just waiting to see if we got enough lift in the atmosphere. Any storm that got going was going to produce a lot of wind today. We have a lot of speed in the atmosphere to get these storms off once they get up to the top.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clark County in south central Iowa, northwestern Wayne County in south central Iowa, Lucas County in south central Iowa, southeastern Warren County in south central Iowa until 3:45 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Osceola, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Osceola, Sheraton, Lakeside Casino, Milo, Murray, Russell, Humiston, New Virginia, Lacona, Lucas, Woodburn, Williamson, Derby, Sheraton Municipal Airport, Red Hall Lake State Park, Otter Creek County Park, Lake Aquavi State Park and Murray Roadside Rest Area. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 29 and 43. Protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for south central Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Clark, Lucas, Warren, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Madison County in south central Iowa, northeastern Guthrie County in west central Iowa, Greene County in west central Iowa, western Boone County in central Iowa, Dallas County in central Iowa until 3:30 p.m. At 2:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of town to 7 miles southeast of Coon, rapid to 7 miles west of Winterset.
Again, a possible tornado here. Let's see. Tornado was located capable of producing. That's the one by Corden, but this is the one we're watching. See this just west of Yale. Right in here, folks, in this location, seek shelter. This hook right here, even if it doesn't produce a tornado, it's going to push winds out. We'll probably get some wind damage out that way. So west of Yale, another area to keep an eye on as that cell sweeps on through. You can see how it's just sweeping around. And then there's pushing that wind out. Now, as that wind gets pushed out with all the spin in the atmosphere, it may try to spin it around. But that's another cell with this little clearing in the reflectivity that shows that that's a dangerous situation. Looking at the velocity signature again, this is wind going away and towards the radar. We got one little couplet right here. This is what the wind looks like to the radar. And you can see that's that counterclockwise rotation. Not a tremendous amount of shear right now. It's spinning. Is it translating to the ground? We don't know if it's making it down to the ground until spotters tell us that. But this is a very dangerous storm west of Yale, one to keep an eye on. And then that severe thunderstorm warning there.
Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Madison County in south central Iowa, southeastern Dallas County in central Iowa. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near DeSoto and Van Meter around 3:10 p.m. Waukee and Dale around 3:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Winterset Madison County Airport and Badger Creek State Park. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 105 and 118. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Dallas, and Madison.
Doubleheader.
Tornado warning for southwestern Clark, northeastern Ringgold, and northwestern Decatur counties will expire at 3 p.m. The tornado threat is diminished, therefore the tornado warning has been canceled. However, large hail and damaging winds remain likely, and a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for the area. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for south central Iowa. Repeating, the tornado warning has been allowed to expire for the following counties in Iowa, Decatur, and Ringgold.
Triple header. Tornado.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Guthrie County in west central Iowa, southeastern Greene County in west central Iowa until 3:30 p.m. At 3 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lake Panorama, or 8 miles northeast of Guthrie Center, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over main rural areas of northeastern Guthrie and southeastern Greene counties, including the following locations: Springbrook State Park, Lackenslough Game Management Area, Jamaica, Bagley, Yellen, Rippey. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Greene, and Guthrie.
Tornado watch number 534 remains in effect until 06
rotation. Tornado warning. Again, dollar indicated right now. But folks in Jamaica, well, look at that. When you look at already seek shelter in Jamaica, it jumped to the north there on the last scan. Again, these are moving very quickly, anywhere from 50 to 60 miles an hour. So hard to keep up with. We're watching things for you, though, not having any problem seeing these on radar. So Jamaica north, tornado warning headed into Greene County. Getting a report from the public of potential tornado in Madison County where they have the tornado warning. So that coming in around East Peru, getting a report of possible multi-vortex tornado there.
Oh,
Again,
multi-vortex.
That's calling in and cloud spin in the atmosphere. Yeah, right here. Just look at that. Potential wind speed there. Just to the northwest of Winterset right now as our tornado warning expands to the north. Eventually this headed up into Dallas County. Those are the winds on the backside flowing in at that speed.
Can I ask you a real quick question? We're getting closer to the public if the sirens are going off in Urbandale. So what about the metro? You said it's moving very fast. Are we looking at just hitting the metro very soon?
Yeah, we'll zoom in on the metro for you. And the reason they're doing that is because of the multiple tornado warnings and the speed of the system. They're being proactive because the storms are moving at 60 miles an hour. And you have tornado warnings.
Probably severe weather statement, probably. Nope. Warning.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Madison County in south central Iowa, northwestern Warren County in south central Iowa until 3:30 p.m. At 3:04 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located 5 miles east of Winterset, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include a damaging tornado. A
It's gonna hit
tornado
us
has been
quickly.
confirmed by trained weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near West Des Moines and Norwalk around 3:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include St. Charles, Patterson, Martinsdale, Spring Hill, Bevington, St. Mary's, Cumming, and Truro. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 51 and 66. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Madison, and Warren. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued
This
a
is going to
severe
hit us.
thunderstorm
Oh
warning
gosh,
for
so close.
Behind that, but
central Iowa.
again, you look into the metro here, and we're continuing to see those storms push to the northeast.
Oh
So
gosh.
Western County in central Iowa, Dallas County in central Iowa, until 3:30 p.m.
And we're continuing to watch these
Severe
things push
thunderstorms were
northeast
located
where
along
they're
the
around
line
60
extending
miles an
to 8 miles
hour. So you can see
northwest of Carroll to
the
7
hook
miles
nature right there next to the coast, and again, waiting for the tornado pushing its way eastward.
50 miles per hour.
Really good showing. Seeing really strong winds.